How are y'all doing today? We're going out here, we're going to feed the horse and cows. I ask you to please stay seated while the tractor is moving. Once we get out there and the tractor shuts off, you're more than welcome to stand up, take pictures, and feed the horse and cows. When you go through an electric gate, I ask you not to reach down and touch it, but there's always that one. If you see him reach down and grab it, just pull your phone out and record it so we can watch it when we get right back here. You go to feed the cows, you're going to take a treat just like this, and you're going to shove it in their face. You got something about this long, you're going to wrap it around your hand, it will slime you. It's 100% organic and the best hand moisturizer out there. Just rub it in when you get done, alright? Go to feed the horse. It's very important that y'all feed him just like this, because you can't tell the difference between this, and everybody on this trailer will know if you fed them wrong, alright? I ask you not to go down to my stairwells because you and a cow will not fit. I'm not going to pull you out. The tractor will.
The tractor will pop out.
If you get a treat like this, which there should be no problem with treats, but if you get a treat like this, you're more than welcome to break it in half. You get more out of it. Other than that, y'all enjoy y'all's ride. Don't you do it.
So keep your hands flat whenever you hand it to him.
Take the bucket, pass it down.
Hold it like this. So your fingers are the flat. So if you hold it flat, they bite it out of the
You do it so bad it's telling you to break your hand.
Addie, did you get it? Addie. So you have to hold your hand flat. You put the treat in your hand. So put your hand flat. Cows like this, you feed the horses like this. Cows have long tongues. The horses just have sharp teeth. They don't bite your finger off. You won't have a finger. I don't know. That's all I want. That's all I know.
Definitely a lot of poop mounds down there.
Over here. I don't know.
Ellos saben que esto le va a comer.
Don't do your
They know the deal.
Why is he tagging along?
Good for him. None of these guys are the horses. None of them are. Así, Kimby.
Dale, pónselo en la mano.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to feed the cows because the horses are gonna have more cows than you are gonna
Pero deja que abra la boca.
What?
Okay, okay.
Okay, then don't.
This guy get one.
Ya, Jenny, ¿qué más toma?
Mira, Kimby.
Oh, she's wrapping it in her mouth. Maybe I could do that, Mom.
There's more over here, I think.
Mom.
Hold on.
Mama. Maybe I'll drop it in its mouth. That's what the kid did. She dropped it in its mouth.
Mira, 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 mira. Vite.
Come here.
Mira, ¿qué papito toma?
Yeah.
Mira, este que es largo. Tú tienes uno largo.
Tengo acá de puta y este.
Se tiene colmillo.
Déjalo largo. Get it.
That was some rough tongue, guys.
Está blanca, está blanca, está blanca. Max.
Do me a favor. Allá hay alcohol.
Okay, there you go.
Abre la boca. Oh, it is a baby. Oh, right in the middle.
Oh,
Hey, bud. Hey, here. Get it. He got mine. No, tú ves.
Dijo que estaba.
Estaba viendo leche, que por eso ellos no
Ay.
Dáselo.
Ay, no me.
trying to get that baby one.
No. Dos por
There you go, you got one.
Dale, aquí empieza.
Ay, se salió.
Kimby, dale otro. Ese Kimby. El caballo, Kimby, el caballo no había andado.
Oh, there's a horse. Try to feed the horse.
Flat. Kimby, así, ponle la mano así.
Dale, mira.
Flat to the horse. Ok, es flat. Bueno, dale, no te va a hacer nada.
Mira, Kimby.
Mira, así.
feed the horse, man.
Porque no te babea.
Yo no la veo.
The horse is down there.
Couple more, guys.
Kimby, dale.
Ese ni te toca.
Es con el labio. Así.
Me tocó.
Y le echa va a decir, ¿qué tú hiciste?
Thank you, horsey. No, I'm eating that. I am not.
Mira, 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 que está buscándolo, mira.
Ya se acabó.
No, ya se acabó.
No me hagas Marisa.
Mira, tanto que tiene en casa, tú los tocas. Brian. Y le trata de...
I've got no more food. I've got no more food. No more food. No more food.
Aquel sí que me dio una lambeta, no la quería.
Mami, flat.
Plenty of cows, they're all over the place. Ya.
Me quedan 2 o 3 pedacitos, ¿no?
Dale para una foto para que el Pini la vea.
Seriously?
No, la vaca va a ver.
Mira, lo pones así. Pongo una aquí para tu ver.
They thought it's food, Mom. Mom, they thought it's food.
Let me get this. Get a better angle, guys.
Alright folks, y'all have a seat for me. Have a seat.
Sit down.
Kaya. Oh, you can't hear me?
There's a horse. Hey, look at this big cow. Hey. Yeah, he thinks I have some more food. He just burped.
That's my baby. There's a baby cow. There's a baby cow over there.
Alright, sit down.
Unpet him.
We're going to be leaving here in just a second.
Can I pet him, Mom?
I thought you already did that.
I want
Horse. Matt, touch that horse.
Yeah, pretty horse. Pretty horse. Yeah, pretty horse.
I like it right
That works too.
Bye bye, horsey. Bye bye.
Bye, horsey.
Say bye, horsey.
Bye,
Cows.
Bye, cows. You guys. Right, Mama?
Yeah, definitely a lot of poop mines.
That thing fun, Kenny? What happened? Died?
Because you have to go on this
told him to wait, now they're on sale.